Hello kids, in today's lecture we are going to start with new chapter number 5, numbers 51 to 100 from the book Maths Primer. So let's start. 5 1 51, 5 2 52, 5 3 53, 5 4 54, 5 5 55, 5 6 56, 5 7 57, 5 8 58, 5 9 59, 6 0 60, 6 1 61, 6 2 62, 6 3 63, 6 4 64, 6 5 65, 6 6 66, 6 7 67, 6 8 68, 6 9 69, 7 0 70, 7 1 71, 7 2 72, 7 3 73, 7 4 74, 7 5 75, 7 6 76, 7 7 77, 7 8 78, 7 9 79, 8 0 80, 8 1 81, 8 2 82, 8 3 83, 8 4 84, 8 5 85, 8 6 86, 8 7 87, 8 8 88, 8 9 89, 9 0 90, 9 1 91, 9 2 92, 9 3 93, 9 4 94, 9 5 95, 9 6 96, 9 7 97, 9 8 98, 9 9 99, 100 100. Learn with fun. Write numbers from 51 to 100. So, kids, we will start from 51 number. 5 1 51. What comes after 51? 52. 5 2 52. Then 5 3 53. 5 4 54. 5 5 55. Then 56. Then 5 7 57. Then 5 8 58. 5 9 59. 6 0 60. Then 6 1 61. Then 6 2 62. Then 6 3 63. Next 6 4 64. 6 5 65. 6 6 66. 6 7 67. 6 8 68. 6 9 69. 7 0 70. 7 1 71. 7 2 72. 7 3 73. 7 4 74. 7 5 75. 7 6 76. 7 7 77. 7 8 78. 7 9 79. 8 0 80. 8 1 81. 8 2 82. 8 3 83. 8 4 84. 8 5 85. 8 6 86. 8 7 87. 8 8 88. 8 9 89. 9 0 90. 9 1 91. 9 2 92. 9 3 93. 9 4 94. 9 5 95. 9 6 96. 9 7 97. 9 8 98. 9 9 99. 100 100. So, in this question, we need to do fill in the missing numbers. So, we need to fill the missing numbers in the given blank boxes. So, let's start. There is written 35. So, what comes after 35? That is 36. So, 3, 6, 36. Then 3, 7, 37. Then 3, 8, 38. Then 3, 9, 39. Then 4, 0, 40. Then another number is given 4, 1, 41. Then what comes after 41? 4, 2, 42. Then 4, 3, 43. Then in the next row there is another sequence given. So we start accordingly. So in the middle there is given 61. So we need to think what comes before 61. That is 60. Before 60, what is the number? That is 59. So we will start from 59. So 5, 9. That is 59. Then 6, 0, 60. Then there is written already 6, 1, 61. 6, 2, 62. What comes after 62? 6, 3, 63. Then what comes after 63? 6, 4, 64. Then 6, 5, 65. Then 6, 6, 66. Then the last one given is 6, 7, 67. Then in the another row, we have given another sequence. So we have to fill the numbers accordingly. So first one is 72. What comes after 72? That is 73. 7, 3, 73. 7, 4, 74. Then what comes after 74? 7, 5, 75. 7, 6, 76. Then 7, 7, 77. Then there is written already 7, 8, 78. Then 7, 9, 79. Then 8, 0, 80. Learn with fun. What comes before and after the given number? So kids, in this question we need to put the number comes before the given number and the number comes after the given number. So the first one is 44. So tell me what comes before 44? The answer is 43. Then what comes after means what comes next to 44? That is 45. Then we need to do rest of the question like this only. So what comes before 83? That is 82. Then what comes after 83? That is 84. Then what comes before 48? That is 47. Then what comes after 48? That is 49. Then what comes before 95? That is 94. Then what comes after 95? That is 96. Then what comes before 32? That is 31. Then what comes after 32? That is 33. Then what comes before 61? That is 60. Then what comes after 61? That is 62. Then what comes before 68? That is 67. Then what comes after 68? That is 69. Then what comes before 94? That is 93. Then what comes after 94? That is 95. Then what comes before 69? That is 68. Then what comes after 69? That is 70. 70. Then what comes before 97? That is 96. Then what comes after 97? That is 98. 9 and 8. 26. What comes before 26? That is 25. 2, 5. What comes after 26? That is 27. Then what comes before 59? That is 58. Then what comes after 59? That is 60. 60. Then what comes before 42? That is 41. 4 and 1. Then what comes after 42? That is 43. Then what comes before 67? That is 66. Then what comes after 67? That is 68. Then what comes before 76? That is 75. Then what comes after 76? That is 77. Then 91. What comes before 91? That is 90. 90. What comes after 91? That is 92. 92. Then 16. What comes before 16? That is 15. Then what comes after 16? That is 17. Then what comes before 99? That is 98. Then what comes after 99? That is 100. 100. So kids, in the next question, we need to do what comes in between. We need to tell what comes in between the given two numbers. So, we will start. So, here is written 36, then 38. 36, then what comes after 36? That is 37. So, we will write here 37, then 38. Next one. So, what comes after 35? That is 36. So, we will write 36, then 36, 37. Then, two numbers given again, 11 and 13. We need to tell what number comes in between. So 11, 12, 13. So 12. Then 26 is given. Then 27, 28. So 27 comes between 26 and 28. Then 34. Then 35, 36. 35 comes between 34 and 36. Then 45 is given. What comes after 45? That is 46. 46, 47. That means 46 comes in between 45 and 46. Then 55. What comes after 55? 56. 56, 57. So 56 comes between 55 and 57. Then 64, 65, 66. 34, 35, 36. Then 43, 44, 45. Then 14, 15, 16. So we will write here 15. 81, 82, 83. 68, 69, 70. 69 comes between 68 and 70. Then 31, 32, 33. 53, 54, 55. So we will write 54. 51, 52, 53. So we will write 52. Then 9 to 92. Then 93, 94. So we will write 93. Then 7 to 72. So we will write next 73, 73. Then it is given 74, 74. So we will write 73, 73. So kids, we are going to understand a new concept called expanded form. So kids, we will understand this concept with the help of given examples in the book. So let's begin. So kids, as you can see, number 1 example, that is 75 equals to 7 tens and 5 ones. In maths, a number is divided into ones, tens and many more others. We will learn later about them. But now we will learn about tens and ones in a digit, in a number. So, as you can see, here is written 75. So, this place is called ones and this place is called tens. So, the backward one is the smaller one, that is called ones, and this one is called tens. So, as you can see, there is written also 7 tens and 5 ones. Got it? Or we can say that 7 tens and is removed. We have put a plus symbol here. 7 tens plus 5 ones equals to 70. In the previous classes, we have already learned that 7 tens equals to 70. 70 plus 5. So kids, this is the expanded form we need to write in the questions. This is called expanded form when we express the numbers as tens, ones. Got it? Then we'll look at another example. So there is written also writing 75 as 70 plus 5 is known as the expanded form of 75. I already told you about this. So kids, we will understand another example. Second, 48. So 8 is on the ones place here and 4 is on the tens place here. Clear? So what is written here? We will read. 4 tens and 8 ones. Or we can say that 4 tens plus 8 ones. What means 4 tens? That is 40. 40. So it is written here 40 plus 8. This is the expanded form here. So writing 48 as 40 plus 8 is known as expanded form of 48. Learn with fun. So kids, in the given question, we need to fill in the boxes correctly. We need to fill the given blank boxes. Let's just do it together. 29, 29, blank boxes here, tens, then plus, blank boxes here, ones. So, what we will write here? 2. Then, what we'll write here? 9. As you can see, 29 is the given number. 9 is on the ones place. So, we will write 9 here. Then 2 is on the tens place. So, we will write 2 here. Got it? Then, we will look at another question. 4, 5, 45. So, the first one always on the tens place. So, this one is 4. So, we will write 4 here for the tens place one. Then, plus dash ones. So, what is written here? That is 5. So, we will write 5 here. 5 ones. That's how we fill. And that's how we solve these types of questions. So, look at some more questions. Then, what is written here? 58. 8. 8 is on the ones place. And 5 is on the tens place. So, where we write 5? Here or here? Here. So, we will write 5 here and 8 here. So, 5 tens plus 8 ones. Clear? Then, what is written here? 62. So, what we will write here? 6 tens. So, 6 here. As you can see that this one is on the tens place and this one is on the ones place. So, 2 is written here. Then, 85. 85 equals to 8 is on the tens place and 5 is on the ones place. So, we will write 8 here and 5 here. Then, 95. So, we can see that 9 is on the tens place and 5 is on the ones place. So, we will write 9 here and 5 here. Clear? Then, 75. So, what we write here? 7 is on the tens place and 5 is on the ones place. So, we will write 7 here and 5 here. So, kids, in the next question, we need to give the expanded form of the following numbers. So, kids, we need to write the expanded form of the given numbers or asked in the question. So, first one is given already as an example so that we can understand what we need to do. So, let's just see it quickly. 19. So, how do we write this? 10 plus 9. 10 plus 9. as I already told you, this one is the tens place. So we'll add one. First we write this number 1, then we add a 0, then we add plus, then we write 9. What is written on the ones place? Not always 9. What is written here? We will look at the number. Okay. Now I'll solve the questions for you and you can see. So what is written here? 49. So first we will write 4 as it is on the tens place. Remember this as it is on the tens. So we will write 4 here. Then we will add 0 because 10 have 0. So we will write 0 here. Then we will add plus. Then what we write? What is on the ones place? That is 9. So we will write 9 here. Then look at this question. It is given 68. So 6 is on the tens place. So we will write 6 first. Then we will add a 0 to it as it is on the tens place. Then we will add plus symbol and then there is 8. 8 is on the ones place. So we will add here 8. Got it? Then now we attempt remaining questions in a similar way. Okay. So 19 is written here. So what we will write? 10 plus 9. Clear? Then what we will write here? 62. 6 is on the tens place. So we will write 60 plus 2 is on the ones place. So we will write 2 here. Clear? Then what is written here? 78. So what is on the tens place? That is 70. 70. Plus what is on the ones place? 8. So we will write 8. Then 37. 37. So what is on the tens place? That is 3. So we will write 30. Plus what is on the ones place? We will write 7. Then there is given 47. So 4 is on the tens place. So we will write 40 plus 7 is on the ones place. So we will write 7. Then there is written 20 to 0. So 2 is on the tens place. So we will add 20 plus what is on the ones place? 0. So we will write a 0 here. Okay, this is the expanded for these type of questions. Okay, then 97. 9 is on the tens place. So we will write 90 plus 7 is on the ones place. So we will write 7 here. So 83. 8 is on the tens place. So we will write 80 plus 3 is on the ones place. So we will write 3. Then 86. So we will write 80 as 8 is on the tens place plus 6. 6 is on the ones place. Then 56. So we will write 50 as 5 is on the tens place plus 6 as 6 is on the ones place. Then 40. Similar to the 21. So you can see 4 is on the tens place. So we will write 40 here. Then what is on the ones place? 0. So we will write 0 here. This is the expanded form. Clear? Then 98. 9 is on the tens place. So we will write 90 plus 8 is on the ones place. So we will write 8. Then 99. 9 is on the tens place. So we will write 90 plus another 9 is on the ones place. Here, this one. So we will write 9 here. Then 67. So 6, 7. 6 is on the tens place. So we will write 60 plus 7 is on the ones place. So we will write 7. Then 32. So we will write 3, 0 as 3 is on the tens place. So 30 plus 2. 2 is on the ones place. Kids, we are going to do this question. Write the number and the number name. So in this question, we need to write the number as well as the number name. So let's just look at the questions. 5 tens and 2 ones. One answer is given here to understand how to solve the question. So let's just quickly see this. Number 5 tens means it is on the tens place. So we will write 5 first and 2 is on the ones place. So we will write 2. So that makes 5 2. That is called 52. So what is written here on the number name side? 52. Clear? So we attempt the remaining questions similarly. Okay. So what is written here? 4 tens and 9 ones. So what we write first? We write first 4 as it is on the tens place. And then we write what? 9 as it is on the ones place. Clear? So this is called 4 9 makes 49. So we will write 49 here. F-O-R-T-Y 40 N-I-N-E 49. Then 3 tens and 8 ones. So what we write first? We write first 3 as it is on the tens place. Then we write 8. Clear? Now what it makes? 3 and 8 makes 38. So we will write here T-H-I-R-T-Y 30 E-I-G-H-T 38. Then the next one, 2 tens and 8 ones. So 2 tens means 2 comes, or we write 2 first as it is on the tens place, and then 8 ones. 8 ones it is written here. So what it makes? 2 8. That is 28. So we will write here T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 E-I-G-H-T. That is 28. Next, 7 tens and 5 ones. So what we write here? First we write 7 as it is on the tens place and 5 ones. Then what we write? 5 as it is on the ones place. It makes 75. So we will write here quickly. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70. Then what is it? 5. F-I-V-E 5. Clear? 8 tens and 2 ones. What we write first? 8 as it is on the tens place. Then we write 2. What it makes? 82. E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 T-W-O 2. 82. Clear? 9 tens and 2 ones. What we write first? 9 or 2? 9, as it is on the tens place. Then what we write? 2, as it is on the ones place. What makes it 9 or 2? 92. So what we write? N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90, T-W-O, 2, 92. Then 7 tens and 4 ones. What we write? 7, as it is on the tens place. And then what we write? 4, as it is on the ones place. So what makes it? 74. So we will write S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. Then 4, F-O-U-R, 4. Then 3 tens and 7 ones. So 3, 7. 3 is on the tens place, so I write it first, and 7 is on the ones place, so I wrote it after. So what makes it? 37. So we will write here T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30, S-E-V-E-N, 37. 6 tens and 0 ones. What makes it? So first we write 6 tens. So we will add 0. So what makes it? This is 60. S-I-X-T-Y. This is 60. Then 9 tens and 8 ones. So what we write? First we write 9 as it is on the tens place. And then we write 8 as it is on the ones place. What makes it? 98. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. E-I-G-H-T, 98. Okay. Then 5 tens and 0 ones. So what we write? 5, and on the ones place there is a 0. So we will add a 0 here. So what it makes? 50. So 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. Clear? Fun to do. So kids, as you can see, there is a picture given of a snake and ladder game. And based on that, you have to do some questions. So now we will look at some questions and fill it together. So the question is, fill in the blanks. We need to fill the blanks. Clear? First one. Longest snake has its mouth at the number dash and tail at dash. So we have given options also. Okay, so we need to answer from the options only. Clear? So what is written here? 2 options given. Up, down. So I'll read the question again. First, longest snake has its mouth at the number. Which one is the longest snake? First tell me. You can see that this one is the longest snake. I guess this one. This one is the longest snake. So as you can see, this is on the number 50, its mouth, and its tail is on the 6. So its mouth is on the 50 number, that is upward. So what we fill here? Up. Clear? And tail at 6. So what we fill here? What is written? Down. So we will fill here down. Clear? Second, snake at number 42 will take you dash. So let me just find it for all of you. This one is the snake that is on the 42 number, which takes you up or down. In this game, snake kills the player. So it will take down. So what we write? Down. Third, ladder at number 46 will take you dash up or down. So we will look at the ladder 46. There it is. So it will take up or it will take down. So in this game, ladder will take you up. So what we write? Up. U-P, up. Clear? Fourth, snake with tail at 3 is dash, shortest or longest. So we will look at the snake 3. Okay, so this one is the snake whose tail is on number 3. So it is asking for that only. So is this one the longest one? No, this one is the shortest one. So what we write here? Shortest. Then fifth, ladder resting at number 14 is the. So we will look at the ladder that is on number 14. So where it is? There it is. So it is the longest one or the shortest one? This is the longest one. So what we write here? Longest. Sixth, ladder resting at 21 and 43 are dash, equal or unequal. So where is the ladder that lies on 21 and 43? This one. So is it equal or unequal? This one is the same one, same ladder. So what we write here is equal. Clear? This one is the same one. So what we write here? Equal. So kids, our next concept is numbers on the number line. The number line is given below. So kids, as you can see, there is a figure given. This figure is called number line. Clear? So which shows number ranging from 0 to 10. This can extend up to 10 or 20, 30, 40, whatever number you want. It can be extend. Clear? So, what is written here? Showing numbers on a number line. So, kids, we will learn in this concept how to show the numbers on a number line. Okay. What is written here? Hopping forward. Forward means next. Something next. 4 numbers after 4. So first we need to make a number line. Okay. First we make a number line and then we write numbers. These are on the same distance. Don't try to make it in a different distance. It will create hassle for you. So make it on the same distance. You can see it here. They are on the same distance. Okay. Like they have numbers ranging from 0 to 10. So in the question we have given 4 numbers after 4. So first we need to see where is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is 4. And what they are saying? After 4. 4 numbers after 4. We need to move forward. We need to move next. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is the number that comes after 4 numbers from 4. So what it gives? Gives 8 as answer. Is this clear? Then what this saying? Hopping backward means we are coming back in the before part. 6 numbers before 9. So we are asking 9 from 6 numbers before 9. So similarly we'll make a number line here ranging from 1 to 10. Now we will look at number 9. As you can see the arrows. So 9 is here. You can see it comes to 8, then 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3. So if you count these numbers from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Before 6 numbers, you will get a 3, which gives 3 as answer. I hope kids you enjoy the learning. Thank you.